Hello, my friends. This will be a quick unboxing of the 50th anniversary Star Trek USS Enterprise spaceship model kit by AMT. Before we begin, please like and subscribe. I will be building this. I've found that there are not a lot of videos out there on YouTube or the internet regarding a build of this particular model. There are a few, but they're fairly lengthy. So I plan to drop some quick, short updates on this model. So when you buy this, it comes with a cover, and the cover looks like this. And I picked this up at a local Hobby Lobby store. It's a nice little cover. This boxing is so beautiful that I typically keep the box and the cover just for the sake of nostalgia, I guess. But let's open it up. Okay, so you have the nice black domed stand that this is an updated piece. I really like these stands, and I plan to replace this rod with a hollow brass tube so that I can light up this model. That's the plan for this one. You immediately have the grayish saucer section, and obviously nobody likes the way these shavings, or the mold should I say, came on this. So it's a hassle to clip these off and then kind of putty it up to make it look nice on the finished product, but it will look nice eventually. I am going to replace the BC deck and the Enterprise bridge because these are not accurate to the production model, so I'll be replacing that. This also comes with a package of parts, including the housing, which is also not accurate. I am planning on getting the aftermarket accurate piece, resin piece from jtgraphics.com. That's jt-graphics.com. I'm also getting a replacement for the deflector dish, and I will be doing a few other things. But yeah, this is the package. It comes with these pieces here, including the buzzer domes and a few other things, the shuttle bay in the back there. You have more pieces here than the cells. You've got a lot of the housing. I do plan on cutting these apart to make them more accurate to the production model. Please subscribe to see that update when it comes up. And of course, you've got the see-through bridge and navigation dome at the bottom of the saucer that I'll be using. Here are the instructions for decal placement on this ship. So this is production series Starship decaling. I'm not going to use the window decals because I do plan on lighting this model up. So the windows will be cut out. I'll show you what I'm using in a little bit. This does come with a full page of decals for the production series model. And of course, on the reverse side, you have the first pilot, second pilot, and mirror universe decaling. I will not be using either one of these, but you can if you'd like on this particular model. Obviously, the instructions for putting this thing together, I plan on not following this exactly because I will be lighting it up. So I need to light block the inside and do all kinds of things, but there are the instructions. There's also a paint guide for this particular model using the tester's paint. Again, I'm going to be different from this paint guide, but you can, if you'd like, use this paint guide for this model. Here are all the stick-on stickers, decals that I will not be using. I will hold on to them, but I'm not using them. I will be using the water-based decals that are in this. And they just tend to go on a lot better. And once you really do it correctly with the spray-on clear coats, it will look painted on. It'll look really, really nice. In fact, I do have a model that I built before this same exact kit. I have this model currently built and ready to light up. I'll show that in another video. But I plan to use the following Paragraphics window templates to cut out windows and the top of the saucer windows and all this. This is a really nice set. I've used it before, and it just does exactly what you need it to do. This particular model does not come with the shuttle bay lighting observation deck in the very back of the model kit. So there's no, there's no observation deck there, so you've got to cut it out. So this kit provides you with the templates to cut that out once this is all put together. So we'll be going through that in future videos. All right, let me put this aside and show you a part of a completed model. This is something that I built a few months ago, and it is on a dome, and it is able to be connected and lit up. Can't do that right now on this video, but you'll see it completed at the very end, and it'll look something like this. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, please comment below. As always, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching my video.